Okay, so we're now into our fourth week, and this one's called More Paraphrasing and Summarizing. And as you've seen from the instructions, I want you to, well, you're already there, you're in the Google form, watch the videos. The first video, well, is this one, but the second video is about summarizing, and it was actually made for English language learners, adults, and I found it to be extremely good at describing how to summarize something, because some of you have used rather large paragraphs in your facts, which is fine, but I'd rather you just summarize the main points. So please watch this. You just need to watch the first 11 minutes and 18 seconds of it. But it's got 3 questions. Please answer the questions to the best of your ability. And then the second one is another reminder on how to paraphrase, because some of you are still drifting into plagiarizing. And so I'd like you to watch it. It's short, it's kind of silly, but at the same time, it does make some good points. So please do that. And then go back and make corrections on your gathering and processing data. Now I know I asked you to also finish up with 15 more facts. And I know that for myself, I just replaced some of my original web pages because, as I think I talked about last time, they had the same information that other web pages had. But if you have to and you want to add another web page to the list, just go to the last one, right click, and insert a row below, and you can just write 6. And if you have to add 7, that's fine too. I'm okay with that. I'd rather have you get enough information so that you are comfortable with what you've got. Also, please don't delete any of my notes here, because I want to see the ones that you had to change and if you did it well. And so then the next thing you're going to do is you're going to go and give me paraphrase or summarize the rest of these. Something like this is good for a summary, but again, be sure to put in enough information so that it's useful and that it makes sense. And otherwise, paraphrase. And that's basically all you're doing this week, is just fixing and the 5 that you did before, and summarizing, paraphrasing the rest. And by the way, it's due on Friday, by Friday, and anything that is late or incomplete receives a score of 1. Okay, so complete, I'm not asking for perfect. I'm asking for you to do the best that you can. But if you don't finish it, or you don't even start it, well, if you don't start it, it's going to be a 0. If you give it to me late, it's a 1. And if you turn it in, if you're not finished by Friday, it's a 1. So that's the way it works. Complete, 2, incomplete, 1, not done, 0. And that's how we're doing things now. All right, have fun.